Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of SerpSling AI. Ranking on Google is no longer the whole game. People are now asking AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude for answers, and those tools are choosing which businesses to recommend. So the big question is your website one of those recommendations? That's what SerpSling AI does. Let's break it down and see if it's truly a sneaky shortcut to dominating AI-powered search results, or it's just another overhyped tool. So let's get started. In simple terms, SerpSling AI is an AI search optimization platform, also known as AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. Instead of helping you rank on Google the traditional way, this tool focuses on helping your website get featured inside AI-generated answers. And that's a big shift, because search behavior has changed. People are no longer clicking through 10 different links. They're asking AI tools questions and getting direct recommendations. That's exactly the problem SerpSling AI is trying to solve. Instead of focusing on keywords and backlinks, it works in a 3-step system. 1. Audit your AI visibility. 2. Fix structural and content issues. And 3. Deploy AI-optimized content automatically. So rather than guessing what's wrong with your SEO, this tool tells you why AI isn't recommending you, and also what's missing, and then it actually helps you to fix it. And that makes it very different from traditional SEO tools. Now let us talk about the main features of SerpSling AI. AI Visibility Audit System. This is where everything starts. You can scan your website and get a detailed breakdown of why you're not showing up in AI search results. It checks things like schema structure, content gaps, reviews and trust signals, entity clarity, technical health, and business data consistency. And instead of vague suggestions, it prioritizes what's actually hurting your visibility the most. Next is the automated schema injection. Now this is a big one. Schema is one of the most important factors for AI search, but also one of the most confusing. SerpSling AI automates this completely. So you can add structured data like business schema, FAQ schema, review schema, article schema, and you don't need to code anything. This basically helps AI tools understand exactly who you are and what your site is about. AI Optimized Content Generator. This tool doesn't just create content, it creates content designed specifically for AI engines. So that means clear answers, structured formatting, entity-rich explanations, and easy to extract information. Next is Location-Based Content Engine. Yes, this is huge for local businesses. You can generate geo-targeted pages like Best Dentist in London, Top Real Estate Agent near me. And these pages are structured in a way that AI tools can easily pick up and recommend. There's the Content Gap and Review Analysis. That's another underrated feature. With this, it shows you missing content on your site. It shows you weak trust signals and also poor review presence. So it's telling you exactly what's preventing AI engines from confidently recommending your business. Having considered all of this, now let us talk about the pricing, which is a major thing. SerpSling AI has a very simple entry point. How much does it cost? Now, there is the front-end plan at $34.95 early bird pricing. Now, this is one time. Yes, the front-end SerpSling agency plan at $34.95 one-time fee. Of course, there are other plans like the OTO1 SerpSling Agency Plus, $1 trial, then $47 per month. And of course, the OTO2 AEO Super Booster plan at $47 one time. There's also the OTO3 at $67 one time, and the OTO4, which is Niche Site Blueprint Special, at $27 one time. You can review the pricing page to see which of the plans is best for you. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons of using SerpSling. First, the pros. Unique focus on AI search. It is beginner friendly with no coding required. The automation saves a lot of time, and the one-time pricing is quite affordable. It also includes agency or business potential. And the cons? It is still a relatively new concept. Of course, AEO is doing well if you get it right. The results depend on proper implementation, and it may not fully replace traditional SEO tools. And of course, some advanced features may require upgrades. So is SerpSling AI really a sneaky shortcut to dominating AI-powered search engines? Well, here's the honest answer. It's not magic, and it's not an overnight traffic hack, but it is positioned exactly where search is heading. So overall, I'd say SerpSling AI is less about shortcuts and more about getting ahead of the next wave of search. So that's it on the review of SerpSling AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Software SEO, Phrase, and Jasper AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.